Hi guys, what's up? Myself CA Abhishek Bansal. I'm from Mumbai and I hope your accounts have gone very good. So accounts have gone. Now we move on to the next subject. That's my subject. That's law. I hope you guys are fine. Everybody, everybody from South India especially. I think your accounts have gone very good now. Now let's concentrate on law. Law is your favorite, my favorite, everybody's favorite, guys. You need to get 70 plus because if you get 70 plus, you get food, hungry India, poor India, hungry India. Okay, so now let's talk business. We straight away move on to the strategy. Now today, when you are at home, okay, maybe whatever time you're watching, okay. Firstly, relax, breathe, accounts have gone. Now we move on to law. First two the topics which are very interesting, very important and where you can get very good marks. So first what you do is you till like today 12th of September till maybe like 11 p.m. you are studying. You first finish what? You will finish your dividend, you will finish your accounts of company and you will finish your auditor's charter. Because this will constitute approximately your 15 to 25 marks including MCQs I'm saying. 5 each comes in the exam, right? 5 mark I assume in MCQ. It can go beyond that also. So till 11 p.m. you will finish it off this. Okay. Now next day tomorrow morning. Okay. So 13th September till 1 p.m. What you do? You do our other losses. What are my other laws, sir? My General Clauses Act is there in the book. Interpretation of statutes, FEMA and LLP. Finish it off this 4 because this again 4 will constitute your approximately 20 to 30 marks or more than that also. So I would cover here around 25 to 35 marks. So this 2 will cover your 50 marks like these 4 chapters and the 3 chapters from the above. So you do your other laws till 1 p.m. Now till 5 p.m. you will do the important topic that's basically your Mahua Hua. Then you do prospectus, you do shares, maybe I can extend this time till 6 p.m. and meetings. So 1, 2, 3 chapter in the today, then 4, 5, 6, 7 till 1 p.m. 8, 9, 10, 11 here, 11. Okay. So in a book we have 17 topics, so 11 we have completed. Now the balance chapter, 6 chapters are like deposits, charges, preliminary, membership. So these 4 are like very small till last breath. Till whatever time you are awake, you do your balance chapters. Okay. The exam day, 14th September, what you gonna do is 14th September, you gonna till 10 a.m. you will finish your backlogs. See, this is my budgeted. Actual will come something else, right? Actual will come something else. Okay. You will finish your backlogs. Okay. Then post 10 a.m. please do the RTP which have come for your September attempt. MTP both 1 and 2. Solve this orally. RTP, MTP 1 and 2 orally. It is on the ICA website. You'll get the suggested also. Please solve this orally, guys. So this is my timetable to finish it off. Okay. Don't panic. Write the content very neatly. Choose first descriptive, first complete a descriptive in like by 4 o'clock. When you aim for 4 o'clock, by 4:15 you will finish off your descriptive. From 4:15 to 5 p.m. you will finish off your MCQs. Number 2, when you're writing your descriptive, okay, underline the section numbers, put it in a box if you can. Act name, like write proper Foreign Exchange Management Act, Companies Act 2013, Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, General Clauses Act 1897, interpretation there is no law. Okay, write the full act name, underline it. Okay, wherever you're writing days, numbers, penalties, please underline that. Put it in a box. Okay, this should be your ideal strategy and complete the paper. Don't leave any question. Even if you do not know, write anything, whatever you have studied in the class. MCQ 30 marks are there. Please circle all the MCQs, whatever you do not know. Don't leave any MCQs. At the most, it will be 0. There will be no negative marking. Okay, so be strong, stay safe, stay home, and guys, study well because you need to get 70. Aim for a rank or 70 plus, whichever is earlier. Bye guys, take care, keep smiling and give me a feedback on the comment sections once you're done with the paper at 5 o'clock. I'll be waiting once you're back because you need to come and see your final very soon. Bye guys, take care.